Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do simulated random number generator in Premiere Pro. First, go to the Essential Graphics tab and go to the Edit tab within it. From here, let's click on the New Layer button and click on Vertical Text. And this text will appear in the preview video. We can double click on it and type in random numbers. And you can then hit Ctrl-A on your keyboard and change the font as you like, as well as the font size. Now, click on the selection tool and position the first number on where you want it to go to. Now let's go to Effects and search for Gaussian Blur. Let's drag this effect to our text layer. Go to Effect Controls, and we are going to click the stopwatch icon for position and blurriness. Let's move ahead a few seconds, and let's adjust the Y position until we reach the last number. Now let's make a new keyframe for blurriness. Click on the button right here. After that, let's move the timeline slider to the center of the two keyframes. And let's change the blurriness to 300 and change the blur dimension to vertical. Now let's go to the start of our video and click on the rectangle mask under opacity. Now let's adjust the mask so that only one number is seen on the video. Now let's change the mask feather to 100. Let's scroll up and let's highlight the position keyframes. Right click on them, temporal interpolation, and select ease in. Right click on them again, temporal interpolation, and click on ease out. And it should look like this. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.